Assalamu alaikum, dear brother and sister. Allah made us Muslim. It is greatest blessing of Allah. Allah gave us deen. Our success in dunya and akhirah is in practicing complete deen. There are few qualities in deen. If we learn them, it will be easy for us to practice complete deen. First, firm faith in kalma la ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. Allah is creator. He is controller of all things. Next, prayer 5 times a day. Third, knowledge and remembrance of Allah. Ilm zikr. Fourth, respect of Muslims. Those who help others, Allah help them. It is said that one who does not respect our elders and has not mercy on our youngers is not among us. Next, correction of intention. Innamal a'malu binniyat. We do every topic for only God, not for persons. Next, struggle for